me past my destiny.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to another video. My name's Shequita, Beauty and the Queen here on Queen TV, where over here we do beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So if that's content that you're interested in, please consider subscribing and click the bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. Okay, now that we got all the formalities out of the way, that's what I want to do on my videos, switch what I include in the tutorial so it won't make it boring, okay? And I just want to clean up my brows. I'm in the process of letting them like thicken up, and you know, so I can have like nice full brows. And as you can see, like sometimes when I do my brows, one kind of look barely arched than the other. Like this one looks more arched, like, and when I say arch, I mean this part of the brow seems like it's more arched than this one. Like this one just go meow. So I think I'm just gonna like clean up, and I need to like take all of, I'm showing you all my business. I need to take off all of that, and then something on my face, and then some down here if you can see it. Yeah, so we're gonna clean it up now before we get into the makeup. So if I'm doing this, we'll see how I look when I edit this, okay? But I'm just going to clean just a little bit because I still want it to look thick. I need a mirror. Because I think I had that one for a while, so yes, there we go. I'm just gonna clean them up just a little bit. So not too bad. Still look like a, you know, a little full. You know, not too much. Still looks like natural, not overly done. I'm happy about that. But yeah, that's all we gonna do to that, okay? And then next is this, honey. And believe it or not, you think that this don't matter when you do your makeup, and it really does make a world of difference having that hair on your face. It really does. And period, like, even if you are a person who don't wear makeup, this just makes a world of difference just on your face, period. Just not seeing that shadow, because you could be thinking it's discoloration, and up under that stash, sis, you could be extra bright skin. Okay, you guys, so I think I got it pretty good. So as you can see, nice and clean, free of some hairs. And sometimes I like to go up here too.
listen to them. Just follow the light. You're almost there. Just open your eyes.
Yeah, wish we could stay here forever. Each day you keep getting better. Gotta love you close, and I need you close. I need you close. Yeah, na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. 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 We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. Each time you leave me, it's harder. Feels like I'm stuck underwater. Can't hold my breath. Don't know what's there. No. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. Na 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 na. Every day, look away. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends, yeah. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends. We could be good friends.
Alright, you guys, so this is all for this video. Just a simple something on the eyes, like a nude color. So, you know, nothing too shabby, nothing too, you know, hard to do. Anybody can do this. And if you like the video, then of course, thumbs up this video, subscribe if you haven't already, comment down below what you liked about the video, and yeah, make sure you have those post notifications on so you'll be alerted every time I upload. I'm gonna try to keep my uploads around the weekend, like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like posting 2 videos on the weekend. So just make sure that you're alerted each and every time I upload. Make sure you're sharing, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it again, and I will see you on the next video. Deuces.
Everything is safe. How can I believe?